Why are you so quiet today?
I'm just a bit tired. Didn't sleep well last night.
Have you finished the project?
I should have, but I got stuck halfway.
You should have started earlier.
You're right. I'll manage it by tonight.
Did you remember to lock the door?
Oh no. It completely slipped my mind.
What kind of books do you read?
I mostly read biographies and motivational books.
Who taught you to swim?
My uncle did. He's a great swimmer.
Can I borrow your phone charger?
Of course. Here you go.
What would you do if you won a lottery?
I would travel the world and donate to charities.
Are you interested in politics?
Not much, but I do follow major news.
Do you believe in luck or hard work?
I believe in hard work. Luck supports only sometimes.
Shall we go out for dinner tonight?
Sounds good. Where do you want to go?
Have you ever been to Mumbai?
Yes, once for a business trip. It's a vibrant city.
Why didn't you call me yesterday?
I was going to, but I got busy with some urgent work.
Could you explain this to me again?
Sure, let me simplify it for you.
I didn't expect you to help me, but you did.
That's what friends are for.
You are always there when I need you.
I'll always try my best.
Where did you buy this shirt from?
I bought it from a mall near my house.
Who looks after your business in Nepal?
My cousin takes care of it there.
You shouldn't have jumped the traffic light.
I know, I made a mistake.
He might have torn the documents.
I didn't do it, but he may have.
Why didn't you do the work?
It slipped my mind.
Can you help me?
AIEL, sorry, could you clarify what this stands for?
I haven't got time, even then I try to do your work.
It's my privilege. I appreciate your help.
What tea have you got?
I have a Samsung Smart TV.
Have you paid the money to the hawker?
No, I'm broke today.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a pilot.
He used to be a mason, but now he has become a contractor.
Really? That's a big change.
What did he want to be?
He wanted to be a doctor, but he couldn't.
Can you tell me how to subscribe to our?
Sure, just go to their website and fill out the subscription form.
When did you learn to skate?
I learned it during last summer vacation.
If you don't mind, please convey my message.
Of course, I will.
What time did you reach Delhi?
I reached there around 7 p.m.
How dare you call me a liar?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean it.
Do you dare to speak the truth in front of everyone?
Yes, I do.
Could I have your scooter?
Sorry, I can't because I am to go somewhere.
Where will you go?
I'm going to attend a party.
How often do you dine out?
I love to dine out, but my life is hectic nowadays, so I can't.
Do you like to cook?
I like it, but I rarely get time to cook these days.
Have you ever traveled by train alone?
Yes, many times. I enjoy solo journeys.
What are you planning to do this weekend?
I might go hiking if the weather is good.
Could you please turn the volume down?
Sure, sorry about that.